Racing Gas is started. We have cut. Express break quickly restart. Moving upon the outside. Yanino, Yana, Pusanggala. Then next on line Whistle Lucky Girl. Taal Volcano cuts. Thunder comes next. Then next on line is Boracay Island. Hola Alonso while Swerteng Lorti is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And at the far turn, we have cut. Express followed closely by Yani. No, Yana. And on the outside, third is a Lucky Girl. Pusanggala. Moving up now on the outside is a Cuts. Thunder and Diana entering the home stretch. We have cut. Express followed by Yanino, Yana moving upon the outside. Now is a Cuts. Thunder, Pusanggala, Lucky Girl. Then comes the Taal Volcano. Last 100 meters. We have cut. Express and finally cut. Express, Cuts, Thunder, Yanino, Yana, Pusanggala, Lucky Girl, Taal Volcano, Hola Alonso.
Five horse Cut Express